Welcome back, everyone. So this will be an introduction to WordPress dashboard. So in this video, you'll be familiarizing yourself with WordPress dashboard, the menus, and the essential settings. But before we dive into that, in our previous video, we learned how to install a WordPress theme. So how to choose and install a WordPress theme. But the previous theme we installed, I just found out that some of the themes in the WordPress are paid themes. So we actually have to look for free ones. That was why we weren't able to modify the previous one we installed. That was why we weren't able to see what the page looked like, because they actually request for payment, or you just go for a pro version to be able to install or make use of all the features the team has. So let's quickly move into themes. I'll be showing you how to install a free theme now. So let's click on add new. So remember, we installed our previous theme from here. So this was the theme we installed, the Bloxley or Bloxy theme. But now I think that theme is a paid theme. You need to use a pro version to make use of the features. So now let's click on block themes. In here, this is a place you can find free themes for your website. So let's just quickly select one of the themes here to work with. So let's select, I had a theme I saw for, which theme are we going to install? Let me install this theme. So let's select this Blocks Kit marketing. So this is a marketing website. So let's quickly install. Let's see what this looks like. So our theme is currently installing right now. Our theme has been installed, so let's activate. So theme has been activated. Let's visit our website. So here is what the theme looks like. You can see this one is loading up because it's a free WordPress theme. So this is the footer, this is the header, this is the menu, this is the content of the website. So you can see how beautiful it is. Let's click on the About Us page. Okay, now the menus does not work. It doesn't take us anywhere. So we'll have to actually modify all of this. So this is how to install a free and beautiful theme in WordPress. So let's dive into our main purpose for this video, which is the WordPress dashboard, since you've learned how to install a theme. So here in the WordPress dashboard, I would love that you familiarize yourself with where most of these settings are. So here is the WordPress dashboard. So if you click on screen options, so these are screen elements. These are actually these current things you're seeing in the screen: the WordPress events and news, the quick draft, the site, the status. You can see them here. So you can check and uncheck them if you want to view any one at the time. So if you want all to be seen, you can check all of them. Now this is the dashboard menu. This is updates. If you receive any updates on anything like the WordPress, if WordPress has a new update, this is where the update is going to come. So you see like a pop-up number here, or if there's a theme you're meant to update also, it will also pop up here. This is the posts. So this is where you're going to add a new post. This is the post category. This is the post tags. So let's quickly open up the post. So this is hello world. This is a default post that is here. So you can create a new post. You can see add new post if you want to add a new post. So you can also add a new category for your post and also add tags for your post. So this is the media where you upload pictures and videos for your website. This is the pages. Let's open the pages. So these are default pages in the website. You can also create new pages like the home page. If you go to our website, you can see the home, the about, the services, reviews, the blog, and the contact. So all these pages can also be created. So we'll have to create those pages ourselves and actually build them one by one. This is the comment. So if anyone comments on any of your blog posts, so this is going to be where our blog posts will be. So if any of our customers or clients comment on our posts, so it's going to pop up here in the comment. So this is the default comment here. Hi, this is a comment. So you can approve the comment, you can reply, you can trash the comment or put it in the spam. This is the appearance. So this is where you can change your theme. This is the plugin, which is, we'll be moving into this in the next couple of videos. How you install plugins, how they work and what they do. This is for the user. So this is the admin dashboard. So this is the administration login details for the admin. You can also add new users and also assign them roles. This is the tools where you can import your maybe files or export files like your database, export files, your personal data from your website, or even your login users. So your users that has logged into your website before, you can also export their data. And this is the settings. So here you have the general settings where you have your site name, the tagline. You can add the tagline. This is the logo. You can add the logo for your website. This is the URL, the localhost URL where your website is being loaded from. This is the email. So this is the membership. You can also be accepting members in your website. So you can check the box here for anyone can register. So anyone can register to your website if you want them to. And this is the default role they are going to be assigned. Once they register, they are going to be subscribers. This is the language, the time zone. You can select your time zone. This happens on default. So the week starts. Some people choose Monday. I use Sunday. So click save settings or save changes. So this is what the menu looks like. I think this will help. So I think here we'll stop this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, you share, and you also subscribe. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to customize your WordPress theme. So this theme we just installed, we'll be customizing it gradually. So you learn the basics of customizing themes using WordPress customizer and page builders like Elementor. So we'll also be installing Elementor plugin for editing your website. So it's just like a website page builder. So you will also be learning that. But for now, at least you can rewatch this video. Make sure you grasp and catch everything here. Thank you so much.